In today's video, 3 online reputation management tips you can implement right now. We've all said this one before, so I'm not going to jump into it and use it as a concrete tip, but if you haven't set up Google Brand Alerts, you really should. Just Google Brand Alerts. Make sure you're signed into a Google or a Gmail account, and then you can easily set up your name and track it. So if anybody publishes an article, releases a blog, or mentions your name anywhere online indexed by Google, you will receive a message instantly. But what are some other things that you can do right now to boost your online presence? The number one thing is to own every single asset on the first page. If you don't own every single asset on that first page, you need to start. If there's an article that's about you that's neutral or less than positive, it should not be on that first page. So what you need to do is go to Google and look at every single neutral or negative article and say, I need to outrank this, I need to get my stuff on the first page. And your stuff could be social media. That counts as yours because you can post from it, you can change the profile picture. You don't actually have to own the website, but you should have almost complete control over the platform. If there's an article that's journalism, it's fair, it's unbiased, but it doesn't show you in the most positive light, you also want to suppress that. So that's how we look at a strategy. Comb through it, do an audit, just a visual audit of your online presence, and say, hey, what are some positive links that we can put here right now? Let's rank the Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. Those are all links. Personal website, secondary website, or micro sites, a niche site. What can we do and rank on the first page? And that's the first thing you want to do. So outside of brand alerts, doing an audit of your reputation, and ranking on the first page, what are some other things we can do? Second, create some videos. High quality videos are watched by consumers more than ever. Over 60% of consumers say they would prefer video to written medium. Now I use both, and most people use both, but videos appear very high up. They spark interest, they're easier to watch, and the YouTube carousel will rank on Google. That means the top 3 videos that you create with your brand name will rank on Google, and those are essentially trailer videos. What's great about videos is you can really bring someone in quickly and make them feel emotions. You can make somebody cry in a 3 to 5 minute video that you can't do with 3 to 500 words. To make someone cry in written content, you're going to need like 1,000 words, 2,000 words, more than that. And you have to really build up a story and a narrative. But in music, you can use emotion, you can use drama, you can use visuals, and these things will all come together in order to make your brand shine and make people have a positive first-time interaction with it. Things you can do to make your YouTube videos rise up is by using your name or the brand name you want to rank for in the title, description, and keywords of every single video. If you're not doing that right now, start, and I promise it will help you. Tip number 3. Client testimonials. Believe it or not, a client testimonial strategy. I'm talking about an airtight strategy about how to get clients to review your business and share it online is really going to help you. Not only is it going to offset original negative reviews, if you have any, but it's also going to create a mass of positive reviews. So even if 5, 10, 15 negative reviews come in, it's just going to make your reviews look more authentic. No matter how negative it is, let's say you have 300 positive reviews from all your clients, it doesn't matter if you have one scathing one, as long as you have positive, what appear to be unbiased, real reviews. And some great ways that you can start doing this right now is by registering on Trustpilot. Trustpilot allows people to review businesses of all sorts, and when you get a high rating, you can also put the Trustpilot stars on your website. You embed your Trustpilot score. Not only is that good for Trustpilot, but that's going to help you because it's going to increase your conversion rates. So that's also a sales mechanism that you can use to boost the conversions on your page, especially even if it's a 4.8, 4.9. It's not a 5-star, but it shows that it's real. It shows that you're a real company doing great work and that you don't mind showcasing some of the not so positive content. But that being said, you want to be able to rank everything on that first page. You want to control the assets and you want to monitor it. The last thing you want to do is create a Trustpilot or create a Google My Business listing and not monitor it, because that's when you just open a platform for people to say and do whatever. You need to be controlling, or at the very least redirecting, the narrative in order to boost your online presence. My name's Nader Najab. These have been 3 online reputation management tips. If you need help with your online presence, click the link down below, book a 30-minute call with me. I'm also going to start dropping my Calendly link. So if you want to book a call with me, click the description down below and I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching.